Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to uncover the secrets behind viral TikTok videos. So, if you've ever wondered how some creators manage to go viral, this video is for you. First, let's talk about the power of trends. One of the surefire ways to get your video noticed is by jumping on a popular trend. Whether it's a dance, a challenge, or a catchy hashtag, trends can skyrocket your content's visibility in no time. Another key technique is to showcase your unique personality. Be authentic, be yourself. TikTok is all about originality, so don't be afraid to let your true colors shine. Showcasing your quirks and talents will help you stand out from the crowd. Remember, timing is everything. The algorithm favors recent and frequently posted content. So, try to stay consistent with your uploads and engage with your audience regularly. This will help boost your visibility and increase your chances of going viral. Now, let's talk about the importance of high-quality production. While TikTok is known for its short and snappy videos, that doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. Invest in good lighting, clear audio, and eye-catching visuals to make your video more appealing to viewers. Lastly, don't forget to leverage the power of collaboration. Teaming up with other TikTokers can introduce you to new audiences and increase your chances of going viral. So, why not reach out to fellow creators and create something amazing together? And that's it. Those are some of the techniques behind viral TikTok videos. Remember, there's no guaranteed formula for going viral, but by following these tips, you can increase your chances of creating content that catches fire. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest uploads. Until next time, keep creating and keep going viral.